right, so it is 1:30 in the morning, or 1:09 in the morning. So up, getting my, not coffee, but I actually get hot cocoa in the morning. So, hey guys, how you doing? My name is Franklin Cruz. I am a military veteran turned real estate investor turned developer. And here on this channel, I'm going to be showing you the transition of how I went from investor to developer and how I'm actually focusing on the construction side of the business. Sorry, I got a box from Amazon, but this is our construction company. And the main reason why I'm up so early is because I'm studying for my GC test. This is one of 16 books that I have to study. These are actually all the books that I have to actually know for the exam. Not those books, but over all this and all these military coins. That's the coolest coin right there, just FYI. So, with that being said, just showing you guys the entire journey from in real time. And this channel is dedicated again to those people that want to transition from investor to developer and kind of showing you exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So for me personally, it's cold outside, so that's why I've got this little thing on me. But what I can say is this. A couple things that I've learned is, number one, if you're like me, I'm a father, and I've also got a whole team, you gotta kind of wait to wake up early because that's the only time frame you have, really, that you can knock out things of administration in the morning, because during the day, everything goes crazy. So, not crazy, but in a way that you need your time. For some reason, God's allowed me to wake up early. I like waking up really early in the morning. I'll meditate in the morning sometime frame as well to get my strength back. So number one, you want to do things before everybody else, just because during the day, you kind of got to go with the day sometimes. Don't go against the day. So that's number one. Wake up early. But wake up, necessarily in the sense of, for me, I wake up when I know my body's telling me, hey, it's time to wake up. So my alarm clock is myself. I don't have an alarm clock. And how that works is, if I gotta go to the bathroom, I ask myself, how do I feel? If I feel good enough, I'll wake up and get stuff done. Then the other question also is, okay, now that I'm up, what am I doing? And I always have a routine. So you want to have some kind of routine for yourself. And that may look like, okay, well, first thing in the morning, I actually want to knock out my studies. And so what that looks like is, here's the exam book. And when I also have like a little journal pertaining to it. So I'll journal, the things that I'm actually working on. What does that look like? Your goal when you're taking these tests, I have a coach on this, is you want to find all the answers. I'm going to CamTech, and in CamTech, they basically give you all the questions and all the answers, which I'm going to knock out now, and I'm going to start finding. So you'll find the question. Here's the question. You'll find then the answer to that question, and then you'll find that item in the book. So that's kind of the three things that you're doing. For me, my daily routine, hot cocoa, because it has no caffeine. So caffeine is a diuretic as well. I have, my little snacks and stuff, my nuts and whatnot. Then I've got my water, which is just regular tap water in a fancy bottle, which I like this bottle that I got. Knock that out. And then what I'm doing is I'll go in my bag. Then I'll get basically my pens and paper, my pens. This is what that looks like on my markers. And then I'll get my journal out as well. And I'll write any kind of thoughts first thing in the morning, because, basically it's being 1 o'clock in the morning by the time everybody else actually wakes up. I've already done about 5 hours worth of work. So my goal is to study from 1:30 till 3:30, And then I've got other items I got to take care of. So number one is waking up early is a great thing because you do so much before everybody else is up. Number two, for myself, I've got to put in study time somewhere. So I've got to get this time in. Then I've got to look at my projects. And so I got to simplify my projects. Because right now, this year, my goal is people management, project management, cash management. So I've got to really get good at those things so I can have more skills pertaining to my own traits, that then those skills will raise me up to the next level. So we're about to build 3 houses. Then I've got to learn how to build more than 3 houses at a time. But for right now, I got to manage how can I, as a developer, how can I build 3 houses? I just finished building one, and they're modern homes as with that. Then after I build those, then you're scaling. But you're catching me kind of like from the ground up. I've sold some land to KB Homes, I've done other things, but I still have a lot that I need to learn. And on this channel, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm learning in real time, and hopefully that helps you guys out. So hopefully you're getting something out of it. Waking up early, fantastic, because you're doing it before everybody else. Number 2 is you've got to get some kind of routine in the morning. Number 3, what I do is I go to bed anywhere between 7 and 8 o'clock. And I don't want to watch any Netflix. I don't have anything that stimulates me. No kind of social media presence at all, because I don't care about that. The long-term future is me building, and I'm just documenting everything. So then I could show you guys and hopefully, have something pertaining to that I'm teaching other people how to transition from, investor to developer. But you've got to learn the construction side, because you got to keep your costs down. Because right now, specific trades are very hard to find. So what I'm learning is I have my own crew. Everybody's cross-trained on plumbing, electrical, roofing, roof truss, sheeting, how to do everything, because then we control everything in-house. We don't have to worry about the trades controlling everything. So hopefully this is making sense. Again, follow the journey, comment below, and we'll go from there. All right, talk to you later. Bye. And here we go, getting started. Boom.